Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I'm doing things a little bit different. Normally I sell clothes, I sell shoes, jackets, coats, all the kinds of clothes and shoes. But I found a new place near me, sort of near me, it's about 2 hours drive from my house, that does pallets. And I found them. They do a whole set of pallets weekly. They do ship within state, but they do not ship out of state. So I probably won't mention where this is, just because I don't know how much competition there is for this here. This pallet was very reasonably priced, in my opinion, for the way the economy and the way pallets and things like that are going for. So I'm not going to do a really super long video on this, I don't think. We'll do as best as I can to show you what I got. There's a lot of repeats in here from what I can see. There's a lot of the same, multiples of the same thing, so I'm not going to just keep showing you the same stuff over and over. So I will dig through the top as best I can and show you a good portion of it. I don't know yet if this place cherry picks. I don't know if they just get it like this, see there are a few things that are on top and list it that way. So, I have no idea what's in the bottom of this because I can't see it. So we'll get started on some of the details on this. So this pallet, total out the door, my auction price for it was $203. With after the taxes and the buyer's premium, which I think was 8%, my total out the door was $235 for all of this. They did say the condition was new, open box, returns, and untested. So you could run the gamut of anything in here. I already see some boxes that are open. Most of the boxes have the labels for them being a return. So before I sell anything, it looks like everything is going to have to be looked at, double checked, and everything. I'm not going to be doing any condition checking today. It'll just kind of be showing you roughly what are some of the items that I received in here, and for me it's just going to be organizing and trying to get this unboxed before it gets too dark. So let's get going and showing you some of the things I got. You probably won't be able to see me very much. I've got boxes behind me and I've got totes over here to put stuff in, and so we're just going to go start going through. So this is one of the things that I bought it for. My daughter already claimed one, but it is a Vivitar 3x3, 3.3 inch, or nothing, 3 feet 3 inch cloud light. And it looks like there's several of those in here, so I'll pick out a few of those up top and just throw them in to this tote so we can kind of get them out of here. Like I said, this one here, the box is pretty beat up. I'll have to read a lot of the boxes because they kind of say, some of them say like why they were returned. So, all right, those are most of those that I see on top. Another item, one of the main reasons why I bought this was, this is another item my daughter will probably end up keeping like one of everything in here if I had to guess. But this is a Vivitar 56-inch tall, what they call an RGB corner light or corner lamp. So it's like this pole that sticks up in your corner, and it has all these different colorful LED lights on them. They have the remotes to change the lights and different settings. So those were, I don't know if I'm going to really drop those from there, so I might just stack them on my truck here and put them down there. That box is pretty gross. There's a lot more of these than I thought there were. Hopefully most of these are in good condition. Just open box, I guess. Let's see, I don't want to do that too much because I don't want to block my way. Okay. Let's see, here's another couple smaller things. Some Justice. Ooh, that one's bad. This one's not. It's a Justice Tech True Wireless Earbuds for kids by the brand Justice. So I did not have a tripod until today. I took a tripod from my Pallet to show you, but these are just what looks like Walmart brand tripods, 17.8 inch to 52 inch for holding cameras and phones. And there is a ton of those in here. Let's see if I can find anything else cool up top. Let's see, this looks like another earbud of some kind. Oh, no it's not. Oh, it's a pistol. Okay. It's a pistol grip tripod. Here's another smaller tripod. Or this is like a selfie stick. Let's see. This is some universal SD and micro SD universal cards things. This is a keep-on SD micro SD compact flash card drive reader. Some more SD card readers. Let's see, what's this one? Okay, this is a multi-port USB hub. Multiple of those. Okay, yes, photo frame, just a normal photo frame. Another SD card reader, another SD card reader. Okay, this is, audio stream sound mixer. Okay. Power grip charger. Can't really see it that well because it's got all the writing on it. Some more of those lights, the cloud lights. Just a Creator Series phone stand. Here is a desk lamp thing. A desk lamp with a fluffy light. Another one of those. Actually, this is a smartphone. Man, they covered up half the stuff. Smartphone stabilizer. Way open, see. So a lot of this stuff is probably not going to be sellable. I definitely have to do a lot of condition checking. A lot of open box. See, another phone stand. Another stabilizer. I've seen anything else different. Another stabilizer. That might be everything that's in here. I see some more stuff in the bottom, but I can't get to it yet. It's something a little different. Let's see what's this. Neon tube wall light six-piece set. So a bunch of neon light tubes. This one has definitely been opened. Let's see, this is another phone stabilizer. I'm trying to get to this big thing down here that I can see that's different. This is a HDMI to USB video capture card. Maybe I can use some of this stuff. Let's see, what's this? Oh, another one of those ring lights or phone lights. 18-inch full color ring light set. Make sure to dump it out. There that is. It actually looks like to be 1, 2, 3, another 4 or 5 of these are down there. Actually, even more than that. There's more on this side. Looks like a backpack or something down here. Let's see. Oh yeah. And on, like, carry case. It's a DSLR camera carrying backpack. Those actually do decent on eBay from what I saw. I saw one of those in another pallet that I didn't get. And an empty box. That might be all I can show you. Nope, there's more different selfie sticks, more of those lights. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I can show you. I don't think you want to watch me just unbox this whole thing. So I will probably come back and do like maybe a little card chat type video and maybe give you guys the breakdown of everything that's in here that's sellable, what the conditions were like. Maybe I'll come back and like look at you. This is not very easy to get through. Alright, so that looks to be the gist of everything that's in here, type of things wise. So I'm gonna get busy and get this organized, get this stuff out of my truck so I can get this pallet out of here and get home before dark and eat a little something. So like I said, I will be back on another day to give you guys the stats on this of how many items out of here are sellable for me and what my profit is. I think I will roughly make once everything is sold. So if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new. For all of you who are not new and are back again, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys watching. And if this turns out to be a decent pallet and I can sell the majority of it, this place does do auctions on a weekly basis. This week I saw they mainly have like used ice chests and wine cooler refrigerators and a couple, probably like 6 or 7 6 or 7 like pallets of Amazon returns, like general merchandise, like bigger stuff like furniture and big kids toys. I don't know if I'd be interested in those or not, but I might watch them just to kind of, see what price range they are, see if they stay around the same price range as these. With this lot, they had 40 pallets that they were selling, and the highest one I saw was in the low 300s. And they're all mainly like this with different things. Some had digital photo frames in them and different lights and things like that. So, alright, I'm going to quit chatting, get busy, get to work. So, hope you guys' sales are great. Might have been okay. Hope you guys have a great weekend in sales, and I will talk to you guys later.